welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another Vlogmas video. So today is Vlogmas day number, let me think, 5. Vlogmas day number 5, and we're going to do our Tidy Tuesday, but we're going to do 2 spaces today. So if you've been following our Tidy Tuesday, which probably is one of my favorite segments to do on my channel, we've done several spaces, and for me a Tidy Tuesday is taking about 30 minutes and going to a specific hot spot in your house and really just giving it some attention, picking up, doing it. It's not a deep clean, but it's picking up, it's kind of rearranging some things, it's tossing out things that need to be tossed out, and it only is 30 minutes. So of course, if you're doing Fly Lady, she does like 15 minutes per day in a space. I take 1 day a week and I do 30 minutes and just tidy that space. So behind me is my baking cabinet, and I do a lot of baking or using a lot of my mixers and different things being on keto. So I'm going to spend so much time in this area really getting some things squared away and moved around, and then we're going to go outside. So I know it doesn't make any sense, but I still have fall out, and so I'm not going to put out too much Christmas, but I am going to go out, sweep the porch, switch out the welcome mats for the winter one. I am going to put the Christmas wreath out and move all the fall stuff out. We've got some dead mums out there, so you can tidy your outside spaces as well. So we just thought we would bring you along, and since it's Vlogmas, what better time to do a Tidy Tuesday than during Vlogmas. So just hang out with us as we do our Tidy Tuesday. Okay, you guys, so this is my baking cabinet, and I used to have all of my baking supplies over where my spices were, and so it was fine, but I use my KitchenAid mixer so much. So I thought I'd move most of that stuff over here on this side. And so I am going to actually do a little bit of cleaning and a little bit of reshuffling some things. So up here is where I keep a lot of my cups and things for teas or coffees. So I'm going to try to condense some of those things, not for any reason other than I just want to condense those. I'm going to take my cookbooks and all these things here, and I'm going to put them over this cabinet. So I saw Shelly from Shelly's Home Life move hers and put them over there, and I think Miss Erica uses hers up there as well. It just makes better sense because I'm going to try to use 2 of these shelves for baking items. So I have these 2 jars. Of course, I got these from Goodwill several years ago. I've been using them in my laundry room, but I am changing out some things because I don't like the plastic bins that I actually have my flowers in. So I'm going to give these a good scrubbing, take all of that out, and then I'm just going to swap out the plastic for the glass. But this one will not fit in the cabinet space because of this top, so I'm going to flip it. It's still going to remain airtight, but I don't have a lot of flour anyway, so I'm going to use this as my almond flour, and this one will be coconut flour. This one fits just fine until I can find another one, and then I'm going to be looking for another one that is that I can put my sweeteners in. So join me as I just do a little bit of working here in this cabinet. I'm going to set my timer and give myself maybe 15 minutes to do this space, and then 15 minutes for outside, and we'll see how we get along.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh, o'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle
you guys, so here it is. I have put all of my flowers. This is my almond flour, coconut flour, sweetener. I had a little bit more than what could fit in that jar, and I need to get one probably that's this size because I do get sweetener and we use quite a bit of that, and I'll replace it once I get a bigger jar. This is the Truvia brown sugar, and then this is where we have our coconut. We have some PB2, baking powder. This is like unsweetened cocoa, Lily's chocolate chips, and then our xanthan gum. And then up here I just have some parchment cups and bags. And then the last of my there's cinnamon, vanilla, sweet leaf drops, baking soda, and then my waffle maker. So I think that makes a little bit of a huge difference. It definitely feels better for me to have this over here in this baking portion. So again, here's where I'm using my, mixer, and I'm getting ready to move in this whole cabinet here. I'm going to put all my baking pans and anything that goes in the oven. I'm going to switch this out. I'm not doing that today. That may be another Tidy Tuesday, but the kids and I are heading outside. Okay, you guys, so we probably should have done this in reversed order, worked outside first and then did the inside because it is getting dark. If you can tell, it is dark outside. But we have the porch light on, and so all we're going to do is sweep up some of the leaves. We're going to move the dead mums from here, and we're just going to sweep a little bit. I have one Christmas tree that we're going to bring outside to light up, and that's what we're going to do for the front porch on this Tidy Tuesday. You guys, we did 15. It really would have taken us 10 minutes. I mean, it was really a quick just sweep off the porch, trying to figure out our tree. It was stuck in a couple places, and then we actually had it upside down, the pole, so Jackson and I had to fix that. But we literally just swept off the porch, changed out to our winter rug, swept off the shoe holder, and that is it. It's not perfect because it's an outside space, but it is clean and it's refreshed and it is tidied. We brought a little Christmas tree outside. Last year we did, all around here, but it's late in the season and it is totally fine not to do any of that. So we are just excited. We did put the wreath out. It does light, but we're not going to light it this year. We're just going to leave it like that and be done. So there it is, you guys, another Tidy Tuesday in the books. We hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure and give it a thumbs up. If you're new to our channel, hit that red subscribe button. We love to keep you as a part of our YouTube community. Also hit that little bell. Thank you guys so much for joining us for Vlogmas and another Tidy Tuesday. And until our next space, bye now.